Hey everyone, welcome back to Mark Loeffler Experience. We're at our 23 unit here in Edmonton, Alberta. We closed this last July, but as you guys can see, we are almost at rent status here. We closed this in July. We're renovating all 23 units at the same time. We're gonna have a full burr on this property in 10 months. We've taken rents that were $700–800. You know, we're looking at on a 2-bedroom unit here, probably about $1,250, 1 bedrooms, $1,050 to $1,100. So we're able to increase our rents 30 to 40% on this building. You know, when we did buy this building, we had a homeless problem here, drug dealers, you name it, we had it here. And so we've taken this and we've improved the neighborhood by working on this building and made a nice, beautiful place for people to live. Obviously we do that because we make a profit. I will include some numbers on here that you guys can look at of what the difference is. So we are going to be refinancing this building in the next 2 months. We just obviously have some finishing work to do. So 3rd floor will be ready next week. 2 weeks later, we'll be refinancing this thing again. We closed this in July. So after 10 months, we're gonna have bird a 23 unit building. Everyone, this is why I love Alberta, because there's no way in hell that I would ever be able to do this in Ontario. And to be honest with you, we're actually now got systems and models in place where we can do this faster. Obviously, we've learned a whole heck of a lot over the last year. Also, the Alberta economy with oil prices the way they are. I don't think we could buy this building for what we bought it for last year right now. You know, we bought it around 90 a door and stuff, selling 105 to 115. There was just multiple offers on 4 12-plexes the other day. I think we've done okay on this building. I will let you guys know once we get the appraisal. Once we do get that refi, I'll probably bundle that in with a whole bunch of stuff. And we're gonna actually do the side-by-side comparison to Alex Powell's building that Alex Powell was on the other day. We'll link the video down below if you want to catch that one. Guys, this is super exciting. If you guys are looking out to invest out in Alberta, let me know. I can hook you up with my team here and they'd love to help you. All right, thanks everyone. If you do like this video, definitely smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe.